Alright, so the grandma's made some nice tea for me. 苹果吗？哦，谢谢谢谢。我们基本上没有什么多的调料。
这个还买？
可以可以。呀对呀对。Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video, Black in China. Today I want to experience a bit of the Chinese lifestyle, and I'm going to start by having Chinese tea. Recently I have started to like that Chinese tea because it is actually very healthy, and I think it's very good for keeping the body fit, especially being of good health. So let's try some Chinese tea. I think that won't be a bad idea. Alright, so the grandma's made some nice tea for me. 阿姨，你们是本地人吧？
是，我是浙阳的。
哪里的？
浙阳。
哦，浙阳。哦，浙阳，听说过。
我在这里。
哦，那挺好。你们这边平时人不多吗？
平安是人不多。
人不是很多是吧？
有多，他是星期六、星期天
哦。
这个是我们老板的，给我给你吃。
哦，苹果吗？哦，谢谢阿姨。
是老板的。
好，呀对。
谢谢老板。
好，谢谢。So she just give me an apple.
洗了
的。eat that. 好，洗了是吧？
哎，洗了就。
好。
先去皮。吃不吃？
哦。
不吃过。
可以吃。
可以吃，这里有小的嘛。
对我那么好。你们的习惯一般要对客人好一点是吗？
不，还是在国人。
哦。
在你个人上，你要对我好，
一样对我好。
还不是你想对谁好就对谁好。
哦，确实。
在一个人。
哦。哦，说得来一点，说得来。So that is my Chinese tea. You see, they call it something Hua. I think it's flower because you see, what is in there. It looks like a flower, and I put some sugar inside because I want to.
这个有4个标杆，看你是哪个
？4个标哦。
这种就这一种跟楼上的，还有小一点的。
She's just so interesting. It's very hot. I like it. It's a bit sweet because I put a little bit of sugar inside. I think that this is one of the best way to integrate into the people's culture. China has a very long culture, which is so very complex. 我说你们老家每天怎么过啊？大家？
每天怎么过啊？
哦。
每天。
你们不打牌吗？
每天我上班呀，要挣钱呀。上午就抹桌子、拖地下，那外面也是我们的。
哦，也是哦，那个对面是吗？
哎，那外面也是。哦。抹桌子、整地下、打扫卫生。有客人来了就给他做饭。
哦，阿姨好厉害。
孙女儿读高中。
哦，你女儿吗？
孙女儿。
哦，孙女。
哎，我要盘她了。
哦，可以，她读高中。
我3000块钱个月，耍4天。
哦，那还可以，可以。
混的锻炼身体。
哦，就是。I think a lot of Chinese elders, they have to actually work pretty hard to be able to take care of their family. Like retirement age in China for men is 60 years, and for women it is 50 years old, and for civil servants they can retire at the age of 55. But honestly, I think some Chinese families stress quite a lot because they want to take care of the children, put them into the best schools, and in most cases they have to buy them an apartment, which is very expensive in China, probably get them a nice car, and so the parents have to keep working even after they retire to be able to take care of the child. And worst case scenario for a man who's getting married, the parents have to help him to pay the bride price. So I think that is so stressing a lot. For us Africans, our parents never do that. 对。阿姨，你一般工作到几点啊？
我值班。
你们一般工作时间？
我值班直到10点半到11点。
哦。10点半到11点。
要给他煮
哦，
没得客人我就4点半。
然后也是从早上8点。
从早上8点，7点半。
7点半。哦，nice，nice taste，nice， just like nice。Cooking some delicious Chinese food for me. So you see there is some bit tofu and there is some pork meat, pork over here, some spices, pepper, look at some garlic. I think it's gonna be just amazing. So this is the first part. Oh, so let's start by putting the oil. Okay. First of all, she puts the garlic and the pepper inside the pot. Oh, Grandma's doing her magic in the kitchen. 那这个是什么？
豆瓣。
哦，豆瓣。
豆瓣酱。
哦，豆瓣。Now she puts the tofu inside the pot and she does the mixture. You know, guys, I start feeling so much hungry right now. I can't wait.
吃的吗？吃的还买？
可以。对，正常的可以。Oh, this is the best Chinese food you could ever imagine. 做了多少年啊？
我自己家里做。
哦，在自己家里。
我自己家我在村里的打工，顺便叫我做一下。
哦，但是应该你做饭还是很有经验。有，还是很有经验。So I think the tofu is almost finished, and she's going to add in some more spices. 那这个白色的是什么？
切粉。
哦，这个是粉是吧？
切粉。
哦。Amazing！ 你好，老板，你好。
这是老板，那个也是老板。
你好，老板，你好。哦。Oh, amazing! Oh, the best Chinese food.
先要把豆瓣酱
要
炒，然后要加蒜调料。
哦。
然后中国人炒菜就是调料用的比较多。
对，就是。
多一些调料。
对，因为就像这些调料，我看你们的调料比我们基本上没有什么多的调料。
你们就要多点豆瓣酱，必须要有。
哦。Yeah, let's go for 回锅肉 That is twice cooked pork. 这个是小葱哈。Now, one thing about Chinese food is that they have so many spices. 对，是不是会比较麻？
花椒有点麻，这个回锅肉给他们加点花椒啊。
哦，可以，如果有可以。
就没加了。
好，没关系。
加点花椒尝一下。
好的。
要先弄一点油。
哦。
把那个肥肉的油熬出来。
这个炒出来还已经有那个香味。A lot of my fans always ask me, Mike, do you cook Chinese food at home? Honestly, sometimes I cook Chinese food, but maybe I do not have so much skills. You know, I just usually cook the basics, not like the grandma's cooking right now, which is going to be the best taste of Chinese food. A little bit is pork, there is garlic inside, and some pepper. 哦，这个就是那个花椒是吧？
花椒。
哦，花椒。That's another kind of spice they put inside the food. It's going to make it more, it's going to give it more a nice flavor and also very, very spicy. 那个花椒应该很麻是吧？
我们也不让多少。
哦，
我们加点花椒油嘛，反正。
也可以，反正怎么好吃就怎么来嘛，阿姨。哦。
我害怕你吃不起，我就没有放。
可以。
还要倒点花椒油。
可以吃。
可以。
哦，应该没问题。主要你们做的，肯定能吃。豆瓣，哦，put in some 豆瓣. I don't know this spice. Again, I won't even know the name in English because I said it's only been used here in China, in Chinese food, and especially cooking my favorite Chinese dish, 回锅肉。那个是什么？哦，生抽。You see, the color is changing gradually to dark brown. 哦，这个是老抽。
老抽、生抽一样过一点。
哦，但是他们有香抽，然后有老抽。
一样过一点。
Oh, so you see, she put in some sugar inside to make it a little bit sweet. It's a mixture of sweet and spicy. I think it's almost ready. 谢谢，哦，非常感谢阿姨，嘿嘿嘿，
还走。
非常感谢哦。
还
哦。
点开干嘛？
哦。
还要泼这样吗？
Oh, there's pepper, there's some garlic, and now she takes it to the next process, and this is still pepper. Oh. 那刚刚那个是什么呢？对。
萝卜丝。
哦，萝卜丝。反正四川菜基本上都喜欢。
这个一大盘我们都吃完了，吃哪个没有？
嘿嘿。
这个阿姨炒的菜很好吃。
看得出来，阿姨还是比较专业。
加一点，记得没黄花。
可以加一点吗？
他有，他就是有。你们吃的是炒一下，不是？
对。
这个就是。
好的，谢谢米饭。This is one of the best food that they eat here in China, in Sichuan province of China, 回锅肉, and over here is 麻婆豆腐. It's just so sweet, spicy, and delicious. So I think this is one of the best food I've ever eaten in China. I would say it is the best, actually, not one of the best. 锅肉, yeah. It's just so nice. Ta-da!